Hi guys, back from the video. Today we'll be unboxing some basketball cards. Look it on, hit that dunk. Anyway, so we'll be unboxing them. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. But let's do this. I'm gonna open this. I'm having a hard time unboxing it. What the heck? How do I unbox it? Hey, Dad. Dad. Can you help me unbox this?
Did you tell him what you were ripping?
How'd you do that easily?
What you got?
So we got one. Wait, what is this? Ooh, figures. Okay, because we got 3 bags. What? Jalen Williams. AJ Griffin. Orlando Robinson. De'Aaron Fox or whatever. I don't know. And Kyrie Irving. Man, we should have done the actual action figures first. Okay. We got Pascal Siakam, I don't know. Luka Garza. We got Evan Mobley, rookie. And then we got Royce O'Neal. Two more packs. Do you want to open one? Oh, I don't know how to any of these people. Norman Powell. I don't even know kind of name. Tawny Kukoc. Whatever that is. What that name is this? Julius Randle. Malik Monk. He's a monk. Okay.
Last pack magic.
Ooh. We got a good last card. Shai Gilgeous Alexander.
MVP.
That dude is a weird name. Afferny Simons. Zaire Williams, I don't know. Grant Williams. JC Tant or something, I don't know. Jaylen Brown. And then the last card is very special. Doric whiteboard. What that is. And the three-pointer king, Steph Curry.
Nice.
Pretty good cards. Oh yeah, action figures. Yeah, action figures now. Where do I open this from? I don't know how I'm gonna open this. Oh wait. Okay. Look at this dude. That dude looks goofy. Then we got. Ooh, I forgot this new guy's name.
Jason Tatum?
Yeah. My dad's a sport person, so he knows everything. Oh, here's all the stuff you can get. You can get a mini LeBron James. You need to get one of these so we can get LeBron. Oh, there's a puzzle for a whole court. Wait, no, it's not a court. It's a court in basketball players. Wait, where's all the puzzle pieces then? It's not even a whole full-on puzzle piece.
Here you go.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. No, since we got Steph Curry, I'm gonna try to make it a 3. Wait, is this the king? Is that Michael Jordan? Man. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go make a 3 since we got Steph Curry. I'm trying to make it a 3. If I make it, hit the like and subscribe. If I make this one, you have to subscribe with me. Subscribe right now. If I make this one, you have to like. Okay. Now that'll be the end for today. Now, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. But anyways, I'm out.